So, got an InStockTrades box to unbox. Got my sword, my hatchet. No? And my axe! So, got another InStockTrades box to unbox. And like me, this is small but heavy. Now this is the InStockTrades packaging that everybody has grown to know and love with the fitted foam inserts, which is just unbeatable. Perfect. So, I had said I wasn't going to get New Mutants, so I didn't get New Mutants Volume 1, even though I liked it. I'd read the first few issues, but so then the 2 reprint came out. I got it, so now I've got to, actually place the order. I had to scramble to place the order for Volume 1 because it's going out of stock in a lot of places. But, so Volume 1 is coming, and Part 2 of the Hickman FF. Thick boy and a not thick boy. That's what I got.